go with mommy? Huh? You want to join mommy and kuya? And ate Tasha? Hi, baby Lauren. See you later, ah. Daddy's coming. We're going to see Lolo Lola. Next time kasama ang baby Lauren. Oh, baby ni mommy. Oh. See you later. See you later. Oh no. Ano, you want to go? You want to go with mommy? You want to go with mommy and ate? You want to go with mommy and ate? Ang pretty naman talaga. Ang pretty naman talaga. You want to go with mommy and ate? Ano ba yan? Oh, see you later. Kiss.